Hi, kindergarten. Mrs. Marriott again here. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 22. Our objective is I will identify and create a set that has the same number of objects. So we're going to be able to identify a number and then create a picture to match that number. The number will match the objects. Okay, we're going to dive right into our application problem this morning. I want you to pretend that the linking cubes are baskets. Look at the picture, and figure out how many basketballs we would need, because we have basketballs down here, how many basketballs we would need to make our linking cubes the same as our number of basketballs. Go ahead, think about that, pause me, and come on back. Okay, so let's talk about this. If each linking cube is a basket and I need a ball for each basket, let's count our baskets first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need how many basketballs? 7, as long as we want to have the same as. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we have the same number of basketballs as we do cubes? Yes, we do. Good job listening to the word, because I could have said, I want you to count your baskets, and I don't want you to have enough basketballs. Show me a number of basketballs that's fewer than what we have hoops, right? But you did a great job listening. I wanted the same as. Good job. So, before we get started with our lesson today, I want you to go grab something to write with and something to write on, okay? It's going to be really important for this lesson. Okay, so we're going to roll this, and we're going to see what number we hear. That's the number it was already on. There we go. What's that number? Does anyone know? 9. Very good. So I'm going to draw 9 shapes. 9 of the same shape, I should say, on my paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you do the same thing on your paper, please? Okay. You can always pause, and I will be here right when you get back, okay? So if I'm going too fast, pause me, draw your number of shapes, and then come back. It's okay. Now, I'm going to draw a different shape, and I'm going to draw the same number as what I drew before. So how many did I draw before? How many circles did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Underneath my 9 circles, I'm going to draw 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay, so I think I drew the same number of circles as I did the number of triangles, but we always want to check. So let's draw a line to connect our objects. Each circle gets a triangle. Do we have the same number of circles as we do triangles? Yes, we do. Good job. We're going to do this 3 more times, and each time we're going to draw the same number so our sets match, and every shape has a match. Okay, let's roll this again. What number is this? 4. Very good. Let's draw 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, if I'm drawing 4 squares and I need the same number in my next set, how many squares am I going to draw? Or how many of my next shape am I going to draw? I'm sorry. 4. Very good. So let's draw 4 rectangles. Remember, 2 sides the same, 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Now look at, if I were to look at this, I would think I drew too many rectangles because my rectangles are longer. Let's see if I drew the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have the same number of squares as I do rectangles? Yes, I do. That's why it's so important to count. I could count or I could draw the lines. I like drawing the lines. It helps me. Okay, we're going to do 2 more. This one I'm going to have you do first. I already did 9. What number is this? 8. Can you draw me 8 flowers, please? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are my 8 flowers. Now, I want you to draw me sunshines so I would have the same number of sunshines as I do flowers. So how many sunshines would that be? If I have 8 flowers, how many suns do I need? Go ahead and draw it. Pause me and then unpause me when you come back. Okay. How many sunshines did you draw? You drew 8? Oh, I did too. Let's see if we were right. We're going to match our flowers to our sunshines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we draw the same number of flowers as we did sunshines? Yes, we sure did. So for the last one, and this is really important you do this one, I want you to draw a picture. It can be any picture you want. I'm going to roll a number, and it's going to be the last problem on your exit ticket, and you're going to have to take a picture to show your teacher, okay, your drawing. But if we're talking about the same as, do we want more of one object and less of another? No, the number and groups need to be equal or the same as, okay? You guys did a great job during our lesson, and I cannot wait to see what you have on your exit ticket. So here we go. Your number is 7. I want you to draw 7 of something. Unpause me, or pause me, and then unpause me and come back. Okay, so now that you have 7 of one item, I want you to make another group of pictures so you have 2 groups that have the same number of objects. So, for example, if I drew 7 flowers, I need to draw how many, let's say, birds. I would need to draw 7. I want my groups equal. Okay? Go ahead, do that. Unpause me when you're done, and we will talk about what we learned today. Okay, I'm looking so forward to seeing those pictures in your exit tickets today. I just can't wait. You guys are very creative, so I'm very excited to see everything you drew. But what we learned today was that we can see a number, we can recognize it, which is huge, and then we can create a set. And a set is 2 different things of objects. So we did sunflowers or we did suns and flowers, and then we did squares and circles, and triangles and rectangles. But each time when we drew our set, we made sure our groups were equal and every shape had a match. That's exactly what it means to have the same number of objects in each group. For example, in school, when you're given something by your teacher, like a paper, he or she has to make sure that they have the number of papers to match the number of students. So if they have 20 students in their class, they need 20 papers. Okay? So it's really important. The same as means each thing has a match. Like I said, I can't wait to see your exit tickets. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you for lesson 23 tomorrow. Bye.